Far too many people these days still struggle with basic ice trays without realizing what they're missing. Traditional trays give you cloudy, quick melting cubes that dilute your drink and take away the full flavor of your whiskey, bourbon, or cocktails. Upgrading your ice game might sound like a small change, but in reality, it completely transforms your drinking experience. The best ice ball makers go beyond simple frozen cubes. They deliver crystal clear, perfectly rounded ice spheres that melt slowly, keep your drinks colder for longer, and add that premium touch you'd expect from a high-end cocktail bar. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best ice ball makers on Amazon so you can enjoy bar quality drinks right at home. And remember, make sure to check out the links in the description because they'll take you straight to the latest deals and discounts for every product we cover. Let's get started. Music kicking things off at number 5, we have the Clear Ice Ball Maker. This is no ordinary ice tray. It's a stainless steel and silicone combo designed to give you a massive 2.5-inch crystal clear ice ball. That's right, a single sphere that stands out in your glass, slowly chilling your whiskey or bourbon without ever watering it down. Unlike standard ice cubes that get cloudy due to trapped air bubbles and impurities, this design ensures clarity and purity every single time. The mold is super easy to use. Just fill it, freeze it, and pop out a flawless ice ball that instantly makes your cocktail look world class. It's also an amazing gift idea for whiskey enthusiasts, dads, boyfriends, or anyone who enjoys a premium drink at the end of the day. Stylish, durable, and practical, this ice ball maker delivers an experience that traditional trays simply can't match. Coming in at number 4, the Crystal Clear Ice Ball Maker by Kubaro. If you're someone who entertains guests often or just loves having a supply of clear ice ready to go, this is a fantastic option. Unlike single molds that make 1 or 2 ice balls at a time, Kubaro's premium hard shell tray produces 8 large 2-inch spheres in one batch. That's enough for a small party, family gathering, or even just to stock up your freezer for the week ahead. The set also includes a bonus freezer bag, so you can keep your ice balls fresh and organized, ready whenever you need them. Each sphere is perfectly round, crystal clear, and designed to melt slowly, ensuring your drinks stay cold without getting watered down. This ice maker is perfect for whiskey, bourbon, scotch, cocktails, or even soft drinks when you want to impress your friends with style. Compared to traditional trays, Kubaro takes efficiency and elegance to the next level. Moving on to number 2, the Clear Ice Ball Maker Mold. Simple, effective, and reliable. This silicone mold makes 8 large 2-inch spheres at once, making it a practical choice for anyone who wants high-quality ice without spending too much. The flexible silicone makes it easy to release the ice without cracking it or struggling with the mold. It's user-friendly, dishwasher-safe, and creates beautifully clear spheres that elevate any drink instantly. This ice mold is also one of the most popular gift options for whiskey lovers, making it a fantastic choice for Father's Day, birthdays, or holidays. Whether you're preparing drinks for yourself or entertaining guests, this mold gives you consistent results every time. Affordable yet stylish, it's proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to upgrade your drinking experience. Finally, our number 1 pick, the eCozy 2-inch clear ice ball maker with crystal flux technology. If you're looking for the absolute best in home ice making, this machine is unbeatable. Unlike standard molds that take hours, eCozy creates 4 perfectly clear spheres in just 40 minutes and can produce up to 144 ice balls per day. That's right, professional bar quality ice right in your own kitchen. It features advanced insulation, an automatic water supply, and even self-cleaning, so you never have to worry about maintenance. The result is flawless, crystal clear ice spheres that don't just chill your drink. They completely transform the way you enjoy it. Whether you're hosting a big party, relaxing after a long day, or impressing guests with a high-end cocktail, Ecozai delivers consistent premium quality results every single time. So, there you have it. The top 5 best ice ball makers on Amazon. From simple silicone molds to premium stainless steel designs and advanced self-cleaning machines, there's a perfect option for every budget and lifestyle. Clear ice spheres don't just look better, they melt slower, taste purer, and elevate your drink into something truly special. Whether you're enjoying whiskey, bourbon, scotch, cocktails, or even just sparkling water, upgrading your ice is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve your experience. Make sure to check the links below for the latest discounts and treat yourself, or someone you love, to the ultimate upgrade in drinking style. Cheers to clear ice and unforgettable moments.